saw you on the way to my favorite place. Just something about the way you walked into the shop, how you said your name. Could this be, could you be someone? I'm not usually the type to be having these thoughts. How could you give me the butterflies? When I met your eyes, you flashed a smile. I'm hoping that you'll stay a while. Oh, tell me what you came for. Honestly, I don't know if you'll stay or not. But for now, I'm betting on us, 'cause I'm hoping that you'll stay a while. Tell me, won't you stay a while? Stay for a while. Can you stay a while? Oh, you got me hoping that you'll stay a while. Stay for a while. Can you stay?
I had some plans, but I'm having second thoughts. You kept taking glances across the coffee shop. Maybe we could sit and just do nothing, but it's not like I mind. That's my favorite time. You said you like my smell, but I don't get it. Still not really sure if you meant it, but my face is turning redder than your sweatshirt. You know that I would stay a while. So tell me what you came for. Honestly, I don't know if you'll stay or not. But for now, I'm betting on us, 'cause I'm hoping that you'll stay a while. So tell me, won't you stay?